Welcome to the culmination of your source vibration training. If you're here, you've completed months of preparation, working with videos 1, 2, and 3 until their teachings are integrated into your cellular memory. You're ready for the most profound practice in our entire system. Video 4 is 3 hours of pure sound and visual transmission. No voice, no guidance, no instructions. Just you, Gary's most powerful shamanic soundscapes, and the vast expanse of your own consciousness, and our focusing video image to stimulate third eye visions. This isn't a course you complete and move on from. This is a lifelong spiritual practice that deepens and evolves with every session. You're being initiated into authentic spiritual mastery. Section 2, Beyond Ordinary Meditation. Most people think 15-20 minutes is sufficient for meditation, and yes, that's adequate for temporary stress relief and slowing the body down, but that's not what we're doing here, and you know that, or you would not have come this far. This is deep spiritual work, the kind that requires at least 1 hour of sustained, expanded awareness to access the profound states where real transformation happens, with the goal to increase this to 2 to 3 hours eventually. In these extended states, you can perform deep healing work on your physical body, connect with your higher guidance and master teachers, channel profound information and wisdom, communicate directly with Source in pure energetic transmission, access focused states of pure knowing and receiving. This level of spiritual work requires time, practice, and perseverance to learn how to hold an aware shamanic state for extended periods. But this is where awakening and enlightenment actually unfold. Spiritual work is not frivolous. It takes deep time within to reach states of authentic awakening. Section 3, Pure Sound Transmission. Video 4 contains absolutely no voice guidance. This is intentional and essential. By now, you've internalized the teachings mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. You no longer need external instruction. You've learned to navigate shamanic consciousness independently, work with your breath for extended periods, direct energy through your bioenergetic matrix, access DNA codes and Akashic records at will, maintain expanded awareness while letting go into deep states. Now you must learn to guide yourself through the vast territories of your own consciousness. This is true spiritual autonomy. If you need refresher guidance, you can always return to the previous videos, but the goal is complete self-navigation through the realms of consciousness. Section 4, Progressive Mastery Approach. Your approach to this 3-hour journey should be progressive and patient. You're learning to hold expanded awareness for increasingly longer periods. This is advanced spiritual athletics. Practice initially using the visuals to focus your energy and stimulate the third eye to release serotonin, assisting you to shift into altered states. Open and close your eyes a few times. If you have a TV with the ability to turn off the picture, do that when you are ready to close your eyes for the night. Initial sessions. Begin with whatever feels manageable. Maybe you maintain conscious awareness for 30-45 minutes before drifting into sleep. This is perfect. Gradual expansion. Each session, gently challenge yourself to stay conscious a bit longer. Your capacity will naturally expand as your nervous system adapts to these extended states. Advanced practice. Eventually, you may maintain shamanic consciousness for the entire 3 hours. This is where the most profound spiritual work happens, in sustained, expanded awareness. The beauty is that even when you sleep, Gary's frequencies continue working on your system, creating integration and healing at unconscious levels. There's no failure, only gradual expansion of your capacity. Trust your natural rhythm while gently encouraging growth. Some nights you'll stay conscious longer, others you'll need the healing sleep. Both are perfect. Section 5. Headphones for deep immersion. For this level of work, headphones are absolutely essential. The level of immersion and precision frequency delivery that headphones provide is crucial for 3-hour sessions. Headphones are really immersive, but may not be comfortable if you are going to sleep if you are a side sleeper. Play around with what works best for you. I often start with headphones and then take them off and let the low volume of the TV continue for the rest of the journey. Quality headphones create complete sonic immersion in Gary's transmissions. Deliver the full frequency spectrum directly to your consciousness. Block external distractions that could interrupt deep states. Allow for precise calibration of volume levels. Choose comfortable over-ear headphones that you can wear for extended periods without discomfort. Wireless is ideal to avoid cord restrictions during the journey. The deeper your immersion in the soundscape, the more profound your journey becomes. Headphones create the sonic cocoon necessary for this level of spiritual work. Section 6. Self-directed affirmations. By now, you should begin creating your own affirmations and intentions rather than relying on provided ones I created. This is part of developing spiritual autonomy and personal mastery. Your personal affirmations might focus on specific healing work your body needs, guidance you're seeking on life situations, qualities you want to embody more fully, connections you want to strengthen with guides or loved ones, areas of your consciousness you want to explore. Create affirmations that feel alive and authentic to your current spiritual needs. Let them evolve as you evolve. This personal relationship with your own spiritual process is where true mastery develops. Trust your inner knowing to guide you toward what wants to be explored, healed, or awakened in each session. Section 7. Frequency and recognition. The more frequently you engage with this practice, the more your intention is recognized by your higher self and the higher realms. Consistency creates a powerful signal that you're serious about your spiritual development. Regular practice demonstrates genuine commitment to consciousness expansion, readiness to receive deeper teachings and transmissions, capacity to handle increased spiritual energy and information, dedication to your own awakening process. As this connection is established, it deepens, grows, and evolves organically. Your spiritual guidance becomes more accessible. Your healing abilities strengthen. Your connection to Source becomes a living, breathing relationship rather than an occasional experience. This is how authentic spiritual mastery develops, through consistent, devoted practice over time. Section 8. Your complete sonic library. Once you've mastered this technique with Video 4, you have access to an entire universe of exploration. We have approximately 45 hours of Gary's transmissions available, and you can use this same approach with any of our soundscapes. Each composition offers unique frequencies and journey experiences. Healing-focused transmissions for the body. Consciousness expansion pieces for exploring different realms. Integration soundscapes for processing life transitions. Power retrieval compositions for reclaiming personal energy. To fully understand the scope of our work and learn how to navigate this complete library of transmissions, we highly recommend taking our Introduction to DNA Avatar program. This comprehensive course teaches you how to work with the full spectrum of Gary's compositions for maximum benefit. If this is your first course with us, think of this Source Vibration course as your foundation. The Introduction to DNA Avatar program is your complete manual for lifelong spiritual exploration and a deeper understanding of our full body of work. Section 9. Your lifelong spiritual practice. Video 4 becomes your primary spiritual practice. the foundation you can return to whenever you want to reconnect with Source, deepen your alignment, or simply maintain your expanded awareness. Use this practice for weekly maintenance of your spiritual connection, deep healing sessions when needed, guidance and clarity during life transitions, celebration and gratitude practices, preparation for important decisions or events, simply enjoying the profound peace of extended spiritual communion. The more you use this practice, the more refined and sensitive your spiritual abilities become. Your capacity for healing, guidance, and connection continues expanding throughout your lifetime. This is sustainable spiritual practice designed to grow with you and serve you for the rest of your life. Section 10. Final preparation. Before beginning your first 3-hour session, ensure you're completely ready. You feel confident in understanding videos 1, 2, and 3 through consistent practice. You can maintain shamanic awareness for at least 30-45 minutes. You have quality headphones in a completely private space. You've set aside 3.5 hours, 3 for the journey, and a half hour for integration. This can be done in the morning if you are going to sleep. If you keep a journal by your bed, try to make some notes so you can remember in the AM, or use a recorder to grab your thoughts before they disappear. You have clear intention for what you want to explore or receive. Approach this practice with the reverence it deserves. This is sacred work that has the power to transform not just your spiritual awareness, but the entire trajectory of your life. Trust that you're ready. Trust Gary's transmissions to guide you safely through whatever realms you're meant to explore. Trust your own infinite capacity for growth, healing, and awakening. Section 11. Into the Infinite. You've prepared for this moment through months of dedicated practice. Your nervous system is attuned. Your consciousness is expanded. Your spiritual abilities are activated. You're ready for the deeper practice now. Video 4 offers you 3 hours of pure communion with the source of all existence. No words, no guidance, just you, divine sound transmission, and the infinite expanse of your own awakened consciousness. This is where spiritual mastery lives, in sustained, expanded awareness that allows direct communication with the deepest truths of existence. This is where healing happens, not just for yourself, but for the collective consciousness you're connected to. When you're ready, put on your headphones, set your intention, and allow yourself to be carried into the most sacred space available to human consciousness, the direct experience of your eternal connection to Source. Welcome to Lifelong Spiritual Mastery.